In this video, I'm going to be showing you the most insane Kahoot hack that I have ever found in my entire life. This will let you bot games and literally get all the answers right. This is completely crazy. In this video, I'm going to be walking through exactly how you can do this yourself. All right, so the first thing that you guys are going to do is go to mem.rip/Kahoot. All right, so once you are on this website, mem.rip/Kahoot, what you guys are going to need to do is, obviously get your game loaded. So in this case, I'm just going to use this Kahoot game I created like 4 or 5 years ago, but I'm going to start this up and I'm going to be showing you exactly how it works. All right, so once you have your game pulled up, we're going to just go over here, copy the pin, and go back over to our Kahoot hack. Now, we're going to go put in the game ID, and again, if you accidentally, if you click this and it pulls up a pop-up, just X that out because it could be like a virus or something, so just make sure to X that out. But then we're going to go here, and we're going to go put in our game pin. So let's just set game ID, and now it knows it should connect set game ID, and now it's set right here. And then we're going to use our Hack Your Education as our bot name. We're going to turn on autoplay. So basically, that means they're going to get all the answers right. And it depends on what game mode you're playing in, but if you're playing in the classic ones, of course, it will get all the answers right. So if we click add bot, it's going to add our bot and give it a second, connected to the game. And if we go over here, as you guys can see, Hack Your Education just joined the game. And now I'm going to demonstrate the other bots. We're going to flood the game with 100 bots named Among Us, Sussy, Baka. We're not going to turn on autoplay so that they will get nothing right. So flood bots. And as you guys can see, it literally just completely flooded the game with so many bots. Oh my gosh, it's 100 different people. There we go. They're all in the game now. 100 different bots. That's crazy. Now we're going to just start the game and see what exactly happens. So it's going to do the true or false question thing. Now, if for some reason the teacher skips this, it's not going to give you credit, and I'm not really sure why. So you have to wait for the time to run out or for everybody to answer. So we'll just have to wait these 10 seconds real quick. There we go. As you guys can see, that one bot that they put in got the answer correct, and he will also get the points right here, 1,000. So you get 1,000 every single time. So you are guaranteed to win this game. Nobody can beat you unless, of course, they have hacks too, but then you would just tie. And then, yeah, you have all those bots. This is crazy. And then, of course, it will tell you how active your bots are, like what place they're in, how many points they have, and whatnot. I think it's a little glitch right here. It's not supposed to say disconnected, but, this is crazy. This is so insane. You guys can literally troll your teachers. You can troll your classmates with this. It's actually like a really crazy tool. So if you guys enjoyed this video at all, please make sure to subscribe and leave a like.